In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on IronFX. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to click on Open New Account, and of course, you want to open yourself an account you can then use to trade. So here, you can go ahead and select your platform. You can do IronX or MD4, so whatever you want. Then you can, of course, do the account type, your base currency, etc. That's completely up to you. Press Submit, and then your account is going to be created. Now, if you selected MD4, you could go ahead and download MD4 to your computer. I have a separate tutorial on that, so if you want to know how to connect IronFX to MD4 via downloading it here, you can watch that in case you're interested, and I'm going to guide you step by step through it. Or if you just want to go ahead and start trading right away, the easiest way is to go to trading platform over here on the left. And when you're here, you can just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the web trader. Just click on the launch button over here. And basically when you do this here, you'll be able to either open an account. So this can be a demo account here. You can open it right away, or just press the X button and you can connect to your already existing account. So for me over here, I have an MD4 account and I have received the credentials for login onto my email. And I just have to basically retype and copy them in here, which I'm going to do right now. There we go. And then you can click on here, select the server that is listed inside your email. For me, it's this one. And then just press the OK button. And what this will do is, there we go, it's going to connect you. And you can go ahead and start trading right away here on the web trader without having to download anything and without any hassle. So just click on this plus button top left. You can then create your account, select your symbol, the volume, stop loss, take profit, add a comment, select a pending or a market execution, and then press buy or sell over here, and that's how we can start trading. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.